Hey folks, it's Greg Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And right now I want to talk about vacancy. I want to talk about turnover, an empty apartment. It's probably my most favorite thing in the entire world. There's nothing more I love than going into an empty apartment that I own and getting it up to snuff. Now, most folks hate turnovers. They absolutely despise a vacancy. They lose sleep. They get high blood pressure. They panic. Oh my God, what am I going to do? There's so many things that are positive about a vacancy, and I want to tell you from my experience and my opinion why I love them so much. So the first thing that I love about vacancies is I get to go in and demo and clear away any nonsense that's been there for too many years. So you go in and you got carpets that are 10 years old. You got peel and stick vinyl tile in the bathroom that's been there for 20 years. You got counters with holes in them. You got cabinets missing hinges. I mean, you have all of these just topical things that can be removed so easily and replaced so quickly that will add tremendous value to the unit itself in rent, and if you appraise it, the value of the property, or if you sell it. So the first thing I do when I go into that vacancy is I get it down to the bare bones. I'm not ripping the drywall, okay? I'm not ripping walls down. I'm ripping carpets up, vinyl tile. I'm demoing maybe old tile, ceramic tile if it's cracked and missing pieces. I'm getting rid of old mirrors, bathroom sinks, toilets, appliances, oven hoods, the thing above your stove with the light and the fan on it. That's underrated. Bad blinds, bad doors, door handles, fire alarms, smoke alarms, you name it. Go through your entire property and look at everything, and chances are it's all old, it's all dirty, it's cracked, it's broken. And the truth is, folks, if you keep those things there, yes, you'll save money because you didn't have to replace them, but you're going to attract the same person of the unit that you're purveying. Okay, so you give what you get. If you replace everything, you paint those walls, you replace those appliances, put down new flooring, you're going to attract that same caliber of person, and you're going to get a much higher rent. So there's nothing more I love than a vacancy. You go in there, you clean it up, you do the right thing, you're going to get top dollar, rental, resale, appraisal, whatever you're doing, and you're also going to make that property so much smoother. Okay? For example, supply lines. I'm big on supply lines. Sinks, toilets, those water lines going down, okay, those can eventually burst. If they're old enough, they can pop. Those threads, they can pop. The water can go everywhere down to the units below, and then you got an insurance claim on your hand. Now, a $6 part it is for a new supply line, and it's going to last you a lifetime once you upgrade them. I've seen supply lines that are atrocious. They're probably older than my grandparents. Replace them. Okay, spend time on the details so you don't have to later. Okay, you don't have to pay for them in the future. So take turnovers as an opportunity, not as a burden, and quit your whining. Okay, quit your whining about these turnovers. You bought a rental, that's what you signed up for. Okay, so once again, this is Gregory. We're here at Nexus Property Management, your property managed.